thousands of claims flood into an insurance company every single day. Every hour, airports manage a relentless stream of arriving and departing aircraft. Manufacturing plants tackle machine breakdowns the moment they occur. In these places, the work never pauses. There's no waiting for a new sprint. Every minute brings new demands, new challenges, new tasks. This is where chaos can take hold. Emails pile up, phones ring endlessly, Excel sheets multiply, sticky notes cover every surface. Teams rush to respond, always fighting fires, always waiting. But there's a way out of this constant scatter. Kanban. Kanban transforms disorder into clarity. It helps organizations instantly visualize their work, streamline how tasks move from start to finish, cut out unnecessary delays, and clear bottlenecks. Every step becomes visible, manageable, and actionable. The result? A smooth flow of value, work requested, ready, in progress, reviewed, and completed. No more firefighting, no more missed deadlines, just steady progress. Today, you'll see Kanban in action. We'll follow 3 real businesses, an insurance company, an airport, and a manufacturing plant. Their stories show how Kanban brings order to real-world complexity. Forget theory. Get ready for practical solutions you can use. Let's see how Kanban changes everything.